put this waterfall in. Nice. Well, okay, that's given me the sort of layout for the waterfall. So I know that that's going to be there. I can do some little rocks and stuff around that. And play about with that. Just add some little bit more white because obviously it turns green. Okay, and then we can have some splashes and stuff down there. Okay, let's do some rocks here. I'm going to add a little bit of, make them just a little bit darker. Oh, I've got a nasty hair there. Some brownish rocks. I'm going to put some low lights on here as well. Something like that. Okay. It's very hard to get the knife where I want it because of the bottom of the board. Right, okay, let's add some light colour in with that. Do some little highlights on top. Do, 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 do. And then we want some white and a lighter colour. It's a bit difficult to do this, it's so tiny. I'm gonna add some dark there. This music. Alright, let's carry on with just that. I might come back to that in a minute. Let's just add some where I want these. Gonna need some more yellow as per usual. Go through yellow like anything doing a painting like this. Because obviously it's blue and green underneath. You hit the yellow and it turns green. So you just want some yellow on the board all the time. It's mad. I'll come down there like that. Right, let's just do this. We'll figure out where that is going to be exactly. I'm going to add some little bits over there to cover up them rocks and stuff like that. So maybe it goes through there, down there. Creating all different kinds of bumps and hills. Hev said she's waiting on her next picture. Oh yeah, what was it? I've got to do a werewolf underneath a moon or something, haven't I? Anna Loren, you are inspiring me to pick up my paints again. This is so relaxing. Thank you so much. Do it, pick up the paints. Just go for it. That's what I say. I'm just going to come right down there and I can figure out where I want this. little stream and where I want it to end. I'm having fun. Lots of fun. Can add some nice trees in, some moss, all sorts of stuff. So maybe it comes around there and then sort of back round here. So let's just I'm making them noises. That means I'm enjoying myself. Get right down there. Just having that little bit of yellow on the end of the brush helps you make all these sort of different planes, you know. You can have a nice tree there. Come on, let's have a play about with this water then. I don't want too much paint on the brush. Looking good, thank you very much, Blast from the Past. Did you teach yourself to paint? Yes. Looking at Bob Ross and Bill Alexander. I've been a paint decorator all my life. I did try when I was younger, but I was nowhere like this. Every time I use Coldbit Blue, I'd have more on me than my canvas. Absolutely. Well, I've got some on me. This is quite bad for me, to be honest. But I did clean my brushes out before I came on, and I got plastered in I'm going this way because you don't see all the stream. Maybe I'll just do a nice little waterfall here. See the way that's picking up the colour underneath? You can add some more white on and little bubbles here and there. Little splashes. Right, so it's going to sort of come out a little bit sort of flat around here. Little bubbling stream, eh? We've got another waterfall. Another little waterfall going on. Simon Rivers, is he still here? Right, where should we have this? Can have this coming down here like this. Look at that. Right off the end of the page. Some little splashes. There's another little bit sort of just adding these little taps. Little jumping bits of water.